and specifically in my latest pattern, Hooked on a Feeling. Why can't I say this without singing? Oh, hey Foxy friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a slip stitch seam. I don't know if there's an official name for this method, but this is what it looks like, and I use it a lot when I am seaming granny squares, and specifically in my latest pattern, Hooked on a Feeling. This hat was inspired by 70s vibes, and you all voted for this name. So if you're watching this, you can use this technique anytime you're seaming at all, because it creates a really nice line and a nice finish on the right side of your project. Without further ado, let's get into it.
So here you can see what the slip stitch seam looks like when finished. It creates a defined line throughout the piece, creating a nice flow and a perfect finish. And you can see no matter the color choice, it works great on light and dark colored yarns. Follow what tools your project needs, but today I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, a darning needle, scissors, and 5 granny squares, but to practice this, you need at least 2. So start by placing one granny square right side up and the other one right side down. Using the tail of one of the squares, you're going to start in the corner chain space, picking up the front loop of the first square and the back loop of the second square in the same spot, the chain space. Yarn over and we pull up a loop. Front loop of the first square and the back loop of the second square. Yarn over and slip stitch. One more time. Front stitch and back stitch. Yarn over, pull through and slip stitch. What this is effectively doing is pushing the missed loops towards the back so that when you flip your work to the right side, it creates a line. You'll want to do this on every stitch along the side of your squares until you reach the end. One more time. Front loop, back loop, yarn over, slip stitch. As you get to the end, finish with a slip stitch in the chain space, making sure that you get both the front and the back loop and pulling through to create a secure knot. And here it is, the finished product. Just continue to repeat this process to continue to seam your work. Thanks for watching.